Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone? Well, a recent discovery might just change everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. Astronomers, including the renowned Avi Loeb from Harvard, have found something truly baffling about an interstellar visitor named 3I Atlas. This isn't just another comet. It's behaving in a way we've never seen before, almost like a natural spacecraft. What's going on? And why does NASA seem so quiet about it? Let's dive into one of the most exciting astronomical mysteries of our time. First, let's get to know our cosmic traveler. 31ATLAS was first spotted back in 2019. The 3I in its name tells us it as the third interstellar object ever confirmed to have visited our solar system. The first was Oumuamua, and the second was Borisov. Each one has been a puzzle in its own right, but 3I-ATLAS is taking the mystery to a whole new level. Like many comets, 3I Atlas began to break apart as it got closer to our sun. The sun's intense heat and gravity are tough on these icy wanderers. So, it wasn't a huge surprise when astronomers saw it fragmenting. The Hubble Space Telescope even captured stunning images of its pieces drifting apart. But that's where the normal story ends, and the weirdness begins. The real shock came when a team of astronomers, led by Quentin D. at the University of Maryland, analyzed the comet's behavior before it disintegrated. They noticed something incredibly strange about its tail. Cometary tails are usually made of gas and dust pushed away from the comet's nucleus by solar wind and radiation pressure. They typically point directly away from the sun. But the tail of 3I Atlas wasn't doing that. Instead, it was lagging behind the comet's nucleus by a significant angle almost 40 degrees. This was a massive red flag. It suggested that the force creating the tail wasn't just coming from the sun. Something else was at play, something happening on the comet itself. The team calculated that for the tail to lag that much, the dust particles must have been ejected from the comet at incredibly high speeds, much faster than what solar radiation alone could explain. Their conclusion? A single powerful jet of gas and dust must have been erupting from one specific spot on the comet as rotating nucleus. This is where it gets really interesting. A jet firing from a spinning object should cause it to wobble uncontrollably, like a deflating balloon zipping wildly around a room. But 3I Atlas wasn't wobbling. It was remarkably stable. How is that possible? This is where Professor Avi Loeb and his colleague Amir Siraj step in. They proposed a truly mind-bending explanation: gyroscopic jet stabilization. Think about a spinning top or a gyroscope. When it's spinning fast enough, it resists being tipped over. It maintains its orientation in space. Loeb and Siraj suggest that 3I ATLAS was spinning so rapidly that the force from its single powerful jet acted like a stabilizer. Instead of making the comet tumble, the jet's force, combined with the rapid spin, caused the comet's rotational axis to precess. That's a slow, conical wobble, much like a spinning top does just before it falls. This precession kept the comet's orientation stable relative to its jet, allowing it to continue its journey without tumbling out of control. This is a huge deal. Why? Because we have never ever observed gyroscopic jet stabilization on any comet before, whether from our own solar system or from interstellar space. It's a completely new phenomenon. It implies that the physics of some comets might be far more complex and elegant than we ever imagined. This discovery opens up a Pandora's box of questions. What could cause a single, powerful, and sustained jet on a comet? Usually, comets have multiple jets that fire erratically as different icy patches on their surface are exposed to sunlight. A single dominant jet is highly unusual. Furthermore, what could make a comet spin so fast that it becomes a natural gyroscope? One theory is that its journey through interstellar space involved collisions or gravitational interactions that spun it up. Or perhaps it was born that way, a product of some unknown process in its home star system. The idea of a natural object behaving with such mechanical precision is what led Loeb to draw parallels to spacecraft technology. We use gyroscopes to stabilize satellites and spacecraft. We use thrusters to guide them. 3.1 ATLAS, it seems, was doing something strikingly similar, all on its own. It was behaving like a natural spacecraft, using its own internal engine and rapid spin to maintain a stable trajectory. This brings us back to Oumuamua, the first interstellar visitor. Avi Loeb famously suggested it could be an artifact of an extraterrestrial civilization. Partly due to its strange, non-gravitational acceleration, it was speeding up as if something were pushing it. At the time, the leading natural explanation was outgassing from jets, just like a comet. However, we never saw a tail or a coma around Oumuamua, which was a major problem for the comet theory. The discovery about 3I Atlas provides a fascinating new piece of the puzzle. Could Oumuamua have been powered by a similar jet mechanism, but one that was composed of something transparent, like hydrogen gas, which would be invisible to our telescopes? If so, it would mean that nature has figured out how to build its own rockets, stabilized by gyroscopic forces. It's a breathtaking thought. It means there could be a whole new class of celestial objects out there, behaving in ways we're only just beginning to understand. This raises another more provocative question. If nature can produce these objects, could an advanced civilization perfect the design? Is it possible that what we re-see in objects like 3I Atlas and Oumuamua are examples of a natural phenomenon that could inspire or even be mimicked by alien technology? Now, what about the official response? You might be wondering why organizations like NASA aren't shouting this from the rooftops. The scientific process is, by its nature, cautious and methodical. These are extraordinary claims, and they require extraordinary evidence. The analysis of 3I Atlas is based on complex models and interpretations of the available data. Other scientists will need to review the work, run their own simulations, and see if they come to the same conclusions. NASA's focus is often on its own missions and the data they collect. While they provide invaluable resources like the Hubble Space Telescope, interpreting that data is often left to the wider academic community. It's not necessarily silence, but rather the slow, deliberate turning of the wheels of science. Before any official agency makes a big announcement, they want to be as certain as they possibly can. But the lack of a major press conference doesn't diminish the importance of this finding. It's a paradigm shift in our understanding of comets. It suggests that these visitors from other star systems are not just simple snowballs, but can be complex, dynamic systems exhibiting principles of physics we've only ever applied to our own technology. So, what happens next? The key is more data. We need to find more interstellar objects. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, currently under construction in Chile, is expected to find many more of these interstellar travelers once it comes online. With a larger sample size, we can see if the strange behaviors of Oumuamua and 3I Atlas are rare flukes or common characteristics of objects from beyond our solar system. Each new interstellar visitor is a messenger from a distant star system, carrying clues about its birthplace. They are our only direct probes of chemistry and physics from outside our solar system. The fact that they are turning out to be so much weirder and more wonderful than we expected is a gift to science. Whether 3I Atlas was a natural spacecraft or a harbinger of new physics, it has fundamentally changed the game. It forces us to be more open-minded, to consider possibilities that might have seemed like science fiction just a few years ago. The universe is constantly surprising us, and the story of this strange comet is a powerful reminder that there is still so much left to discover. The truth is out there, and with each new visitor, we get a little bit closer to finding it. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. What do you think is going on with 3I Atlas? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the mysteries of the universe.